Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tally data in a zip file. First, it's important to understand why we zip tally data. Compressing your tally data into a zip file helps in secure and efficient transfer, reducing file size significantly. You'll need to locate your tally data directory, which typically contains many files and folders. Before starting, make sure your tally application is completely closed to avoid any data corruption during the process. This ensures data integrity. Now, let's prepare your tally data for zipping. Within your tally data directory, you'll find individual folders for each company's data, often named with 5-digit numbers. Carefully select the specific company data folders you intend to compress. It's a good practice to copy these selected folders to a new, temporary location on your desktop or in a dedicated folder. This step ensures you are working with a copy, preserving your original data. With your tally data safely copied, it's time to create the zip file. Navigate to your temporary folder containing the tally data. Right-click on this folder, then hover over the Send to option in the context menu. From the sub-menu, select Compressed Zipped Folder. This action will create a new zip file in the same location. Remember to give your zip file a clear and descriptive name, perhaps including the company name and date, for easy identification. Finally, let's verify your newly created zip file and prepare it for sharing. Double-click the zip file to open it and confirm that all your tally data folders are correctly included within the archive. This quick check ensures data integrity before transfer. Once verified, you can securely share this compressed file. Options include attaching it to an email, uploading it to a cloud storage service, or transferring it using a USB drive. This method is efficient and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.